Okay, guys, I really want to say something. You see, I'm the only man, the only dude in my family who is really desiring to become rich and wealthy. You see, I don't really want to be a poor man. I hate poverty right from the one. I don't just like poverty. I hated poverty all because poverty dealt with my parents a lot. My dad, to a point, my dad died all in debt. So since then, I tell myself I don't want to be poor. I hated poverty with my life, bro. So I'm really working hard to make sure I break that bondage and I break that yoke. But I want you to keep this video for me for the future. Yeah, keep this video for me for the future. I know the reason why I created this video of myself. Yeah, I want to say something. I just only need 3 years or two. If I don't become one of the millionaire in this world who work in millions in dollars, man, count me as a failure, man. My entire life is a failure, bro. I'm telling you the fact. You see, as far I'm taking the step, doing the job, man, I'm really depending on God to bless what I do. And I so much believe in God. He will do it. I only have God. I only have God. My laptop, yeah. Yeah, I just got my laptop, yeah. There's it. There's a laptop. And my phone. My dad never built his own house, his own apartment, or get his own car, or travel out, or live a good life, bro. But I'm going to live a good life. I will live a successful life, man. I can never be poor. I hated it, bro. I hated poverty. So if you are seeing this video, please keep it for me. Just help me keep this video for the future because I'm gonna need it again. 3 years time again.